As a business analyst, you can use Jira software to measure requirements, track progress, and ensure that team delivers value. Jira is a project management software heavily used by developers team from the worldwide to have a productive day. You can, as a business analyst, you can understand the Jira and capture requirements, facilitate communication, and you can monitor tasks, epics, and issues to ensure alignments with the business goal. You can set up your workspaces, you can select a project template, you can define issues type, story, bug, epic, you can add custom fields, you can capture and manage requirements like use the story issue type to describe the requirements in the format. You can create attached supporting documents, you can collaborate with stakeholders to facilitate discussions, you can use comment section to discuss issues, you can do a lot of stuff, you can track progress. As a business analyst, Jira can help you a lot of in places. You can manage your changes request, you can customize your dashboard, you can automate your entire process just like CI/CD pipeline, automatically transition an issue to ready to for review when all the substocks are completed.